Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a read-only Excel file to an editable one so you can stop being locked out of your data and start making the necessary changes to your spreadsheets in 2026. Let's get into it. First, disable the Always Open Read-Only setting. Sometimes a creator sets a specific internal flag that forces the file to prompt every user to open it in read-only mode by default. Click on the File tab in the top left corner and go to the Info section. Look for the Protect Workbook tile. If it is highlighted, click it and look for the option that says Always Open Read-Only. If it's checked, click it again to toggle it off. This is a user-level restriction. In 2026, this feature is used to prevent accidental edits to templates. By toggling this off in the Info menu, you are removing the internal instruction that tells Excel to lock the cells every time the file is launched, giving you permanent editing access. Next, modify file properties in Windows Explorer. If the read-only status is still stuck, the issue likely lives in the file's metadata on your hard drive rather than inside the Excel app itself. Close Excel. Locate your file in File Explorer, right-click on it, and select Properties. At the bottom of the General tab, look for the Attributes section. Uncheck the box that says Read Only and click Apply. This is a system-level lock. In 2026, files copied from servers or cloud backups often carry over read-only attributes from their previous location. By unchecking this box in the Properties menu, you are physically changing the file's permissions on your operating system, allowing Excel to write new data to the file. Lastly, use Save As to create a fresh copy. If you are dealing with a read-only file that is password protected or restricted by a shared network, the easiest workaround is simply to rebirth the document. With the read-only file open, go to File and select Save As, or press F12 on your keyboard. Choose a new location like your desktop and give the file a new name, such as project_data_editable.xlsx. Save As is the ultimate 2026 troubleshooting hack. When you save a new copy, Excel strips away many of the temporary read-only session locks that occur when a file is in use by another person on a network. The new version becomes a local file owned entirely by you, with full administrative editing rights. And that's pretty much it. To convert a read-only Excel file to an editable one in 2026, disable the Always Open Read-Only flag, or right-click the file in your folder to uncheck Read Only in Properties. If all else fails, use Save As to create a fresh, unlocked copy of your data on your local drive. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.